Hi guys, David here, and this is my Bike Check V2 because my old one was rubbish. Started from the top, we've got Odyssey power ends in black. I over tightened that one too much, now I can't get it out. And you can hear the bolt rattling on both sides, obviously. Colt Vans grips I just put on last night in black, recommend them. I'm not sure what type bars of these are, but I know the fit, the 29 width, I'm not sure about height for, got a fit, front load stem, flips it upside down to get some more rise, fit headset integrated, fit blade 2 forks, black, yeah, really nice, 10mm, front wheel, it's all fit. Yeah, I really like it. Got a Animal Monster Truck tyre, size 20 by 2.10, front and back. Yeah, I'd really recommend them. Really good grip. We've got a unique different pattern to different tyre, to other tyres. Really good. I got a random peg on that side and a Salt AM peg on that side. We'll go to the drivetrain next. I have fit indent cranks in black, really nice. Odyssey JCPC pedals in black, they don't spin that much. Yeah, it's got bushings in, which is good. Plastic with metal pins. Got fit 25 tooth sprocket in black with a KMC chain, yeah, in red. Then fit bottom bracket, who cares about that? Back wheel, got a random peg on that side, then a Salt AM peg on the grind side, then the back wheel's a fit cassette, yeah, 9 tooth, I run a 25/9 if you don't know by the way. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Then last of all, got the Fit Benny L frame, 20 1/4, 13.25 rear end. I'd really recommend it. It's really responsive. And thanks for watching this bike check. Peace, and hope you enjoy the clips.